Okay people, here we go, another algorithm scripting. Truncated string. Okay. By now we know that I like to work over in REPL for this. This one seems pretty straightforward to me, so let's just read it. Truncate a string, which is the first argument, if it is longer than the maximum string length, the second argument. Let's just start with that, right? This, like I say, it's just an if, and usually if it's an if, we can just write if, right? If, what are they saying? If it, the string, is longer, the string length is longer than, is greater than the maximum, right? The maximum number, that's what they're giving us. We're going to do something. What are we going to do? Return the truncated string with a ... ending. In the last scripting problem we had used substring, and I think we can use that here again. Let's see if I can remember how to do it without looking it up on MDN. You do string.substring, and you give it two numbers, the start number, which in our case is going to be 0 because we want it to start at the beginning, and then where you want it to end, which is number, which does not include, so it's not including, so in other words, it's not including the 8th character in this case, because it's giving us 8, so it'll be the first 7, but, well, it's 8 because it starts with the 0, right? Okay, so it works. So let's just, what does that give me if I just do that? A tisket, is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have to do plus truncated with a ... ending. So we just have to give it a ... Great. And then what else? So that's not the case though. What are we returning? I think we're returning the whole, just the string. Alright, let's see how that works. Like I said, I think this one is pretty kind of much more or less straightforward. Yeah, I got it. But let's do this because I'm a big fan of those ternary things. This is just a lot of typing. I think we can make this look better. So instead of saying if, you say string.length is greater than num. Because I love this because it's just like asking a question. It seems so much more intuitive to me. You don't have to say return because that's what it does. If you see that's the case, right? Then you do that. Otherwise, you do this part. Don't even need this. As far as I know, this should still work. Undefined. Okay, that's not the answer because I'd have to still return it, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. Some people have problems with these ternary expression thing here, but I don't know. I think it's much nicer than all that. It's a huge block of code we got with that if and else. I mean, look at the size of that versus the size of this. It's a one line. I mean, so personally, it's my preference. Still works? Yep, still works. Alright, there we go, another one down. See you on the next one.